Hi, I'm Dong. This is our cold brushless upright vacuum. Today, I will show you the real cleaning test, suction test, and why this design is useful for B2B buyers. Many cordless vacuum looks powerful on paper, but when we calculate battery capacity and motor power, the real runtime becomes clear. Let's check with AI.
Now, let's look at a real home. A 170 square meter house is about 1,830 square feet. To clean this area properly, you may need at least 18 minutes. But a small 2,200 mAh or 2,500 mAh battery pack may not support that cleaning time with strong power. So many users have to finish quickly, reduce power, or leave some areas not fully cleaned.
This is our cold brushless motor suction test. The bare motor suction is above 24 kPa. Because it is cold and brushless, the power is stable. There is no battery drop, no charging time, and no runtime anxiety. Next, I will show you the cleaning power of our vacuum. We test common detail mess, coffee powder, rice, and cat litter. First, half floor. For most daily mess, one pass can clean it easily. Now, carpet test. The motorized floor brush helps lift dust from the carpet. Now, let's see the cat litter close up. Cat litter is heavier than light dust, so it is a good test for real suction power. For buyers, this is the key point. Customers do not only need a cordless design, they need a vacuum that can finish the real cleaning job. Our cold brushless vacuum gives a clear selling story. Stable suction, no charging, no runtime anxiety, lower battery related service risk, and strong margin potential.